Have you practiced questions of TFA, NFA? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone solved examples of millimole machine, DFA, NFA? No one. Okay. So today we'll start with second unit, regular expression. So, okay, those who were present for the expert session, I hope all have filled the feedback form. It was shared in the chat box. And those who were absent, let's go through the video which is available in the Teams. Okay, the next unit, it is regular expression. What exactly is regular expression? We have solved some examples of
We have solved some examples of. We have solved some.
DFA, NFA, finite automata using a given language. We have drawn some congestion diagrams. Then we have solved examples of million more machine where output is there. Now, what we have to do is we have to represent that language in the form of expression. So what expression is? It is the mathematical representation or the representation of language in the form of expression. We have seen some languages. Let's say here is equal to epsilon a double a and so on. A is repeated 0 or more times. Same way it can be repeated one time or more than once. So the difference in these two languages, in the first language, we have epsilon as a part of language, whereas in second, there is no epsilon. How to represent these languages? Now we cannot write this language. If I try to write the strings, then it will be of infinite length. But we can represent this language in the form of expression, and that expression can be a repeated 0 or more times. So that is clean closure. This one, it is a clean closure. Or second one is a plus. A is repeated one or more times. So how many times we are repeating particular character, depending on that, either we have to use asterisk or it may be a plus. So you have seen these examples. This is what the regular expression. RE. Instead of L, we write RE equal to A star. Then RE equal to A plus. So this is the expression for given language. It is a expression for regular language. Language is accepted by DFA or NFA. This language, regular language, the language which is accepted by DFA or NFA is called as regular language. And that language we have to represent using expressions. And that expression is regular expression. It is called as RE. In short, we write it RE. How to write it? So in the regular expression, what we use, input alphabets. It may be A, B, C, and so on. It may be 0, 1, 2, and so on. Whatever the input is there. So set of inputs are used. Then operators plus and star. This is for repetition. How many times we are repeating a alphabet or a set of alphabet. Same way plus is used to denote or condition. It is used to denote or condition. Dot is there. It is concatenation. Using dot. Dot means what? A dot B. What it means? A is repeated. A is followed by B. After B, I can write C. So B is followed by C. A followed by B followed by C. Repetition, we represent using this one. It may be asterisk or it may be plus. So when it is superscript, it means repetition one or more times. And when it is in between, if I write A plus B, then this A plus B means A or B. A or B. I can have input A or I can have input B. So this is what the regular expression. So expression, regular expression definition. It is an expression used to represent regular languages or languages accepted by NFA and DFA. Those languages are represented using regular expression, and it is the short form for representation of any language which is accepted by NFA or DFA. As we cannot write language strings which are of infinite length. So epsilon A, double A, then 3 times A, 4 times A, and so on. it is up to infinite. I cannot have, I cannot write this much number of strings. So how to represent it? Then that for that we are using regular expression. Let's say example L is equal to A B A B B, then A B B A B B B A, then A B A B. So these are some strings which belongs to the given language. What is the combination? It is a single character, single character string B, or A is repeated two times, B is repeated two times, or A is followed by B is followed by A, 2A followed by B, 2B followed by A, or AB. So A is followed by B, then A and again B. Any combination of A and B. Any combination of A and B. How to write it? A plus B. It is combination of A and B. I'm not saying that A is followed by B only. If string starts with A, if it is starting with A and followed by B, then we say that it is A dot B. Starting is A and it ends with B. Now in between it can have any number of A followed by any number of B. Then that condition is A dot B. But here we have string which start with A or it may start with B. A can be followed by A or it may be followed by B. So A is followed by B. String starting with B by A and B is followed by B, and again after that it is followed by A. So any combination of A and B, so it is A plus B. Now A and B are repeated. String is not only A comma B. If it is the case, then regular expression is A plus B. But our language consists of n number of strings where epsilon is not part of the language, but minimum length is A. So it is repeated at least once, and any combination, so it is A plus B and bracket plus. Then this regular expression will represent the language L. The regular expression RE is equal to A plus B bracket plus. Repeat A or B at least once, or it is more than one time, one or more than, and any combination of A and B. Any combination of A and B. So A or B repeated one or more times. This is the regular expression for given language. Let me write some more example. Language L consists of strings like this: A, double A, three times A, then AB, A, double B, A, three times B, or double A, B, three times A, B, B, A, and so on. Now, what is the condition? Which strings, which strings are represented by this language? Find out the pattern. Yes.
A followed by B.
A is followed by B. At the start there is A string. Each string starts with A. We do not have any string which start with B. So At the start, it should be A, so I have written A. Then after A, it is B. After A, it is B, or after A, multiple A are there, but after A only, there is a B. After B, there is no A. After any B, there is no A. That means B is not followed by A. No. A is repeated one time, two times, three times, one, then one, two, three, and so on. Any number of times, but minimum number of times it is repeated. It is one. So for one or more, we have operator plus. We have operator plus. So it is A plus. Number of A, it is one or more times, followed by, so it is dot, that is concatenation. Here it is dot, followed by B. Now B is repeated. Here it is 0 time. Here it is again 0. Here it is 0, 1, 2. It can be 3, and so on. 4, 5, 6, any number of times. So minimum time it is repeated is 0 or more. Which operator? Clean closure. It will be an clean closure. So A plus followed by B star. A is repeated one or more times, followed by B repeated 0 or more times. B repeated 0 or more times. Now you can check any string using this regular expression, where the condition is A is followed by B and A is repeated one or more times. So that string will belong to the language L, and it can be represented using regular expression A plus dot B star. This is called regular expression. For given language which is accepted by DFA or NFA, if language is accepted by NFA or DFA, it can be represented using the regular expression. And regular expression, what it consists of, input alphabet, that is the part of a string, A, B, these are the part of string. So they are the input alphabets. States are not part of string. States are just state of a machine, but whatever input we consider, it is a part of string. So alphabets, input alphabet, A, B, C, or 0, 1, 2, whatever it is there, it can be repeated 0 or more times or 1 or more times. So star, clean star, asterisk, it is 0 or more times, and second operator is plus, which is 1 or more times. These two will be used as a superscript, which means number of times that character is repeating. Sometimes it is not there. We may not have any character, any operator. Let me show the example. L is equal to A or B. Yeah, A comma B. Now what this language represents? Either input is A or B. This is a regular expression. A or B. It is not repeated again and again. It is appearing only once. Either it may be A or it may be B. It will not have AB or BA as a string. It will not have AA or BB as a string, because we are not repeating. We are not repeating any alphabet. So what language will have? Language will have a string of length 1 only, and possible string are A, second is B. So these are the only strings which are possibly the part of this language L and represented using regular expression A plus B. Now here plus is there, but it is between these two input alphabet, and here it means OR condition. Here it is OR. It is not one or more times. It is not one or more times. This is not represented. When it is in between two alphabets or a set of alphabets or two expressions, it means one expression or second. It means one alphabet or second. But when it is a superscript, It means one or more times repetition of particular alphabet. Dot, it is always in between two alphabets, so alphabet 1 and alphabet 2. It means concatenation. First alphabet followed by second alphabet, then it may be third alphabet, it may be fourth alphabet, and so on. That is what the representation of regular expression. Let's try to solve some more example. Language L, what it consists of? Exactly 2 A's followed by any number of beats. So tell me, what will be the regular expression? 2 A's followed by any number of beats. Number of A 2 and number of B any number of times. So 0 or more times. What is the regular expression?
A B star.
A B star. Good. So this will be the regular expression. Now, what it will represent? All the strings where string starts with double A and after that B is present 0 or more times. Now here A is there where B is 0 times, then AAB 1 time, then AA double B 2 times, AABBB, it is 3 times, AA then BBBB 4 times, and so on. Now it's not possible to write all the strings. So what we can do? We use a regular expression to represent that language, and the regular expression represents this language. Yeah. So simple one. We have the simple things in the regular expression. It's not too complicated. We have to just represent the regular expression for given DFA or NFA. Now we have some methods to convert DFA to the regular expression that we'll see. If NFA is given, first convert it to DFA, then DFA to regular expression. So method is conversion of DFA to regular expression. Let's see another example. L is equal to strings. L is a language or set of strings. Strings consist of at max 2 A's. So what will be the regular expression? Let's have just single alphabet. It may consist of at max 2 A's. So maximum number of A's are 2. There is no second alphabet. We will see second alphabet in second example. What will be regular expression? For 0 times, what will be the regular expression? What is epsilon? What is epsilon?
0.
0. Yes. So any character which is repeated 0 times is represented using epsilon. Second, if it is 1 time, then what we write?
A.
And if it is 2 times, double,
Double.
right? So check whether this regular expression represent the language which consists of A's repeated 0 time, 1 time, or 2 times. Only these three possibilities are there. There is no second alphabet. Second alphabet is not used. Only one input is there, so sigma equal to, let me write A. It can be 1 time, 0 time, or 2 times. So this is the regular expression. This is regular expression. Epsilon plus A plus double E. Same way, if I change input, if let's say it is B star, B, number of B's, it is maximum 2, then instead of A, what it will be? Epsilon plus B plus double B. If I change this alphabet, then expression will have that alphabet. Instead of A, it will be B. So this is what regular expression for given language. L is a set of strings where it consists of exactly 2 A's and any number of bits. So here input is A and B. Now understand the question. Exactly 2A. Exactly 2A means at least 2A and at most 2A. So string will have double A. Double A means 2 times A. So 2 appearance of alphabet A. This is our minimum string. Maximum can be anything because second condition is there, and it is and. I have not written or nahi. Here it is and. So for and, what is the second condition? Any number of B. Any number of B means it is B star. Any number of B means B star. These are the two parts given in the question. First, how many A? Exactly 2A. It is at least and at max. Exactly 2 means maximum 2 and minimum also 2. Will not have more than 2 number of A. But number of B can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Is there any sequence to be followed? A third part which we have to consider is there any sequence? That means whether A is followed by B or B is followed by A or double A followed by B or B followed by double A. So where is B? Where we can write B in the given string? Is there any such condition? Is there any such condition? No, right? There is no such condition where we can write B. Depending on this, there are some questions. We can expand this one. Uh, this is a general question. So I have taken this one at the start. Using this, what we have to understand, where to put this second alphabet. Where to put this second alphabet. So when we change the condition, the regular expression will change. Now here, we do not have any condition to put second alphabet. There is no condition to put second alphabet. So I can have B anywhere in the string. What it means, I can have B anywhere in the string. Let's take second slide. So what can be the string? Minimum string AA. B can be at the start, so B double A. It can be at the end. If I consider single occurrence, it can be in between. Right? So three possibilities: at the start, in between these two A, or at the end of second A. Then I can have two occurrence of B. Then it can be B A A B. It can be double B double A. It can be double A, double B. It can be A, B, A, B. Second, A, double B, A. So these are the possibilities, right? Or I can have B, A, B, A. One more. So these are the possibilities. How B can be part of the string where A and B are the two alphabets, and B is repeated in a number of times. Now this is for 2 times B. If it is 3 times, then B, A, B, A, B. It can be A, 3 times B, or at the start B, 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 A, like this. So any combination is possible. Any combination is possible. I can have strings like this one, A, any number of times B, then A, again any number of times B, so on. So in between these two A and before first A and after second A, we can have B, and it is repeated 0 or more times. There is no compulsion how many times it should be there. It can be 0 or more times. So what will be the regular expression?
B star A, B star A, B star.
Good. So it will be B star A, B star A, B star. At the start, B can be there any number of times. If I consider 0, then it will start with A. The compulsory part, here is no star. There is no clean closure. So A should be considered. Then only it will go to the next state. Then on the next state, I can have B as an input, and it is any number of times. It does not matter how many times it is there. It can be 0 time, 1 time, 2 time, and so on. So on the next state, B is there. Let's say it is 1 time A, B. Then again compulsory A. Why it is compulsory? There is no star or plus. So it is A. And after that again B. Let's say it is 0 time. So this is possible string. And for this possible string, our finite automata will be in final state. It will be in final state. It will accept this language, and it is represented using this regular expression. Regular expression for given language. B star A, B star A, B star. B can be repeated any number of times, and it can be at any location before A, after second A, or in between these two A. If I say exactly 3A, 3 A's, then add one more A, and after that again B star. Again at the end B star. So it will have 3 A's and any number of times B. We can reverse this condition. Instead of A, it will be B, exactly 3 B's and any number of A. So A star. So instead of B star, it is A star B, A star B, A star. We can swap the characters or alphabets. That is the only change. Instead of AB, it may be 0, 1. It may be 0, 1. So the condition is same, only the input alphabets are changing. The input alphabets are changing. So this is another example. Is it clear? Any doubt in the question?
No, sir.
Okay. So depending on that question, we will see some more examples where there is a slight change in the question. So strings, L is a set of strings where number of A's is equal to 2, number of A's equal to 2, and no B in between A's. So number of A are 2, Minimum string is A. B can be repeated any number of times. Again, same condition. B any number of B's and no B. This is not. This is no B. This is not number of B. It is no B in between A's. That means in between A, I cannot write B. In between A, I cannot write B. So wherever first A is there, it should be followed by second A, and then it can be followed by B. Again, at the start, I can have B. At the end and at the start, B can be there. It is repeated 0 or more times. So 0 or more. That is star. That is star. So repetition of B 0 or more times. There is no B in between two A's. So two A's are in continuation or they're consecutive in the string. And before first A, I can have B. So again, it is repeated 0 or more times. So what will be the regular expression?
B star A B star.
Good. B star A B star. Any number of times B, then first A followed by second A. In between, we cannot write any B. If it is there, reject. This string should be rejected, and the regular expression does not represent this language. Because language consists of strings where number of A's are 2. But in between these two A, there is no B. That is the important condition. So similar to first question prior, the earlier question which we have seen. Only slight addition is no B in between two A's. So first A, second A, and followed by any number of B. Followed by any number of B. This is what regular expression. Regular expression for given language. Clear? Any doubt? Then again same condition. Number of A's equal to 2. Not less than 2, not more than 2. Number of B 0 or more. Then string cannot or string start with A. String starts with A. That means it will be AA. It may be ABA. It may be AAB. Then ABAB. Then A. Any number of times B followed by A and any number of times B. And so on. But it should start with A only. It should start with A only. So what will be the regular expression?
A B star A B star.
A B star A B star. This is regular expression. It's so simple. Nothing is complicated. You have to just understand the pattern, how alphabets are repeated, and depending on the repetition, you have to decide which operator you have to use, whether it is plus, whether it is star. So these are some examples of language where number of A is fixed, number of B are 0 or more times, and you can start this condition. It can be B's and A's. So similar questions are there. Again, what can be the condition? String starts with double A, and number of A's are 2. So after second A, it can be a B. It can be 0 or more times, so it will be A B star. Another condition, string cannot start with B and it cannot end with B. Start and end.
not equal to B. So what will be regular expression? A, B star, A. So in between these two A's, it will be B. These are just slight changes in the question. The basic question is same, number of A and number of B. How many times it is there? Where B appears, it can vary. Same way, number of B's can be 2 and A varies. Number of A's, it may be 0 or more times, and where A appears, that may change. This is what the regular expression. Now let me write another example. A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B, B, A, or A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, A, then A, B, and so on. What is the minimum string? A, B or B. Instead of single alphabet, it is A, B. Instead of single B, it is B, A. This is pair A, B. Second one is B, A. Instead of A, I have A, B. Instead of B, I have B, A. How many times they are repeated? One time, two time. B, A one time, two time. A, B, two times, followed by one time A. A, B one time, B, A one time, again B, A. So it becomes two times in the string. But let's say it is one. Then B, A one, A, B one. B, A two times, A, B two times. So combination of A, B or B, A. Let me write capital A, capital B. So A and B, they are repeated any number of times in combination. They are repeated in combination. A, capital A or capital B, repeated one or more times. So what will be the regular expression?
A plus B whole
Plus
plus.
and bracket plus. Now this A, we are not going to write this way. What we have to write? Small ab plus small ba repeated, sorry, it is repeated plus one or more times. It is repeated one or more times. So it will be ab plus ba repeated one or more time. This is what regular expression. I hope it's clear how it is working and how to identify the regular expression. There are simple examples which I have considered today. Tomorrow we will see some different questions where the combination is there for the different type of strings and some more conditions are there. Then we will see how to find the regular expression, and after that we will see the conversion of finite automata into regular expression. I hope it's clear what we have seen today. If anyone has the doubts, you can ask.
Sir, the last one, sir, I didn't understood.
Okay, the last one.
Yes, sir.
The earlier examples we have seen. In that we have seen only one alphabet, A or B, as a single alphabet. In the last example, what I have considered AB as a one string. Now it is a minimum string AB, but instead of single A or single B as a character, I'm considering AB as a minimum string or BA as a minimum string. Now AB can be repeated a number of times. AB, 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 AB. A is followed by B, and that combination is repeated n number of times. One or more times, not zero time, but it is one or more times. Instead of second alphabet, that is B, what I am considering BA. If I write it in capital, it is capital A equal to AB and capital B equal to B. Now that A and B, capital A and capital B are repeated one or more time. So instead of capital A and capital B, what we have AB and BA. It is repeated one or more times. It is in combination. Combination means AB followed by BA, again followed by AB. So any combination. Or it can be AB, 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 or it can be BA, BA, BA. That way we are repeating it one or more times. So it is bracket plus, and in between AB plus BA, that plus means AB can be repeated one or more times, or BA can be repeated one or more times. There is no condition how many times we repeat it, because bracket plus is there. If there is no plus or asterisk on the bracket, that means string will have either AB or it will be BA, and that are the only two strings which belong to the language. We will see such more examples in the next lecture. Right now, just mark your attendance. I'm sharing the attendance link, and then you can leave. In the chat box link, attendance link is shared. Just mark your attendance, and you can leave. Any queries tomorrow? Just ask me the queries, whatever queries you have. We'll solve that queries.